is for class 5 science, and today we are going to discuss about life function. This is our unit number 3 on page number 22 of your book. This is about living things. In living things, human being, plants, bacteria, animals, reptiles, insects, trees, fungus and birds are included. Living things can move, grow, feed, breathe, feel and reproduce. They all can move, but non-living thing cannot do these sorts of actions. They will stay on their places. So this is the chart of living thing and non-living thing. You can observe that living thing can move, but non-living thing are stationary. So most animals move about freely from place to place, and this movement is called locomotion. So why animals move from places to places? They move for searching food, water, for shelter, for the family, and sometimes to protect their life from the enemies. For example, cows grazing, elephant foraging for food, and a rabbit is escaping from enemy, etc., etc. This is the part of their life. Next we have plants. All plants remain fixed in the soil at one place except some free floating plants. Plants show movement of their parts. How? Their roots always grows towards soils and shoot towards light. For example, we can take example of sunflower. Sunflower plant move towards lights. And stomata, opening and closing of stomata leaves and flowers are other examples of plant movement. So plants are living thing. We should be very nice with them. We should look after them, because they are playing a very important role in our society. They clean our environment. They give us very important gas, oxygen gas. We cannot survive without oxygen, and we get it from our plants. So it makes our nature very beautiful, and plants make their own food by the process photosynthesis, and this process is happen with the help of sunlight, water and air. So it cleans our environment and it makes our food by doing the process of photosynthesis. It reduces the pollution, air pollution. So that's why forests and plants are very important in our daily life. Apart from the green plants, there is one plant which cannot make its own food by itself. So you can observe that green plants can do photosynthesis. Yes, I'm talking about Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the parasitic plant. It cannot make it food because it does not have green leaves. So how it survives? It lives off the food made by other plants, and it is the largest flower of the world. So living thing move. Any other different movement. Some has different parts of body. They are different from each other. Plant gives up food, and human being also can do lots of movement. So all the living things can do different motions, and they eat different things. They breathe, they reproduce, and plants do photosynthesis for their food. Human eats lots of things according to their health, and animals also arrange their foods by their requirements. And plants do photosynthesis with the help of, I told you, I have described it, with the help of sunlight, air and water. The green leaves do photosynthesis. What photo means? Light, and synthesis is put together. So by joining these words, photosynthesis means to light put to the plants. Here we have mosquito. You can see how it is arranging its feet. Its use sharp needle-like mouth part, and it inject it in our skin and suck all the blood from our body. It also can suck the blood from the animal's body. So it's quite danger. I hope you have understood the life functions. Thank you very much.